This snack, which is high in protein, low in carbs, low in fat, high in fiber, is ideal for any time of the day. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. I am Laurice. Thank you for watching my video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I take plain Greek yogurt and jazz it up into one of my favorite snacks. So yogurt is very good for you, but the plain yogurt, I just was not enjoying it. And they do have flavored yogurt in the store, but it's so high in sugar because of all the additional sugar they add to it. I want to be able to enjoy my yogurt and not worry about all that additional sugar. And so I kind of add some healthy options to my yogurt and jazz it up a bit and make my yogurt so much better than it used to be. So come on guys, we're already in the kitchen. Let's make this healthy snack. Guys, today I'm going to be making one that I'm going to have now in this, and these three I'm going to enjoy later. So of course you need your plain Greek yogurt because that's what you're having, low fat Greek yogurt. And let me just go over to here. So 3/4 of a cup is 130 calories. It's 3.5 grams of fat. Can you see that? 3.5 grams of fat. It have 8 grams of carbs and 16 grams of protein. So that's a lot of protein. And that's where we're trying to get some high protein food. So we're going to be using shredded almonds in here. And the shredded almonds, we're going to be using a half serving because we don't need that much. And for a half serving of the shredded almonds, it's only 85 calories, 6 grams of carbs. We're getting 7 grams of fat, and this is all healthy fat, and 3 grams of protein because we're not using the entire serving. Adding some raspberry that I already have washed and put to the side. It's already washed and dry, and we're not even going to count this. It's so minimal, we don't even need to count it. And of course, blueberries, we're going to be adding that again, and it's such a little amount. Again, you can count those calories if you want, but they're not going to make much of a difference. We're going to spice it up a little with some vanilla and cinnamon, and you can use whatever spice you like. I was trying to get some coconut flavor, but I couldn't find that, so basically that's it. Yogurt provides almost every nutrient your body needs. It is high in calcium. In fact, 1/4 cup of yogurt provides you with 30% of your daily calcium need. Calcium, which is needed to strengthen teeth and bones. It is high in B vitamin, particularly B12, which may protect against heart disease. It has 0 additional sugar, 25% of your daily need of vitamin A and D. Guys, now I'm going to be adding the almond to this, and remember it's a half serving of almond. And almond contain healthy fats, it contains fiber, protein, and vitamin E. They reduce hunger and promote weight loss because they're high in fibers. Now I'm adding a little raspberry to each of the container. As you can see, it's not a lot of berries, and that's why I didn't bother to add up the calories in that, but feel free to do that if you like. And now I'm adding my blueberries again, the same thing, just a little bit. And you can use whatever fruits you like. I tried this with pineapple. I actually crushed the pineapple and put that in there, and it was so good. So you can just use whatever fruit you like, whatever, but I'm doing berries because I eat berries just about every day. So I'm just gonna top it off with a little bit of cinnamon. And then we're gonna add some vanilla to this. This is it. I'm just cleaning up the mess that I make, so when I cover these jars, we won't have a mess going on here. And we're looking at 215 calories, 14 grams of carb, 10.5 grams of fat, and most of this fat is from the almond, and that's all healthy fat. We're looking at our omega-3 fatty acid, very good for you. And I have 19 grams of protein. So this snack, which is high in protein, low in carbs, low in fat, high in fiber, is ideal for any time of the day. So that's how I jazz up my plain yogurt, take it from something plain to something fabulous, and we did not compromise our health with this. As you can see, we actually add more good stuff to it. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for your support. And if you make it this far and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. Thank you for your support again, and see you next week. Bye.